Hey everyone, it is Rachel and it is no longer Easter. And hold on, Laura, hold on. And I got all of this at the clearance sales after Easter. I went to Walmart and everything was 50% off, and I got...
There's 4 of these, Mommy.
Good job at counting. So I got the cheapest basic ones. So these have the dye tablets, and there's 6 dye tablets, and I got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 of these, and they were 49 cents each. And then I got these, and I got 3 of these. These were also 98 cents, so half off. They were 49 cents each, and they're the liquid egg dye. So they're pink, yellow, purple, and blue. And I've played around a little bit with these already, but I really liked them, and I wanted to play some more. Then Laura took the other one, but I did get 3 of these as well. I don't know if these will dye. It's silver glaze and gold glaze, but looking at the ingredients on the back, they're very similar to the ingredients on these liquid ones that were with it. So I thought, I'd grab a few. Thank you. I thought I'd grab a few and see if they will dye or what they do to the yarn. I thought it would just be a fun experiment at some point down the road. So today I will be opening up a couple of these, and I'm only going to be using the purple out of these. So first, oh, this didn't turn off. Sorry if that was playing in the background. So I've already caked one. We are using, I showed in a previous video, but we're using the Knit Picks Stroll Tweed Down Heather. So this was the lightest one I could get. This is fingering weight, and it's 65% superwash merino wool and 25% nylon and 10% Donegal tweed. And so I thought we'd be over dyeing these. I just have to cake this one, and I decided to do 2 separate cakes because I want to get the yarns as identical as possible to do two at a time socks, because I've never tried 2 at a time before, and I thought this would be a fun way to try. So I'm just gonna, I'm doing this backwards. I need to walk around the back of the camera and do it the direction I'm used to, because I can't do it backwards. Oh, now I can't do it this way. Usually standing like this. There, no. There we go. All right, Rachel can figure it out. So out of these, I only want the purple. Here, you can, there's 2 more over there you can open, honey. So I'm gonna discard the stickers, and all I want is that. So using my scissors. Some of these, you look at them and you think, oh, I know what color this is. Like, ooh, This one looks blue. And I have a damp paper towel, and it is coming up blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort them so I can get only the color I want. And for now, since I don't know where my Sharpie is, I'm just using my sticky tabs here. So this looks pretty obviously orange.
I can't believe this.
Hold on.
One of these.
Laura, don't yell.
I can open the last one.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do the orange sticky tab with continuity here. This one I'm gonna guess is green, but yeah, which it is. But the tablet kind of looks like a greenish brown. It's hard to tell. But using, now my fingers are gonna get a little bit colored, but I don't care. If you care, you can use rubber gloves or something. So that almost looks yellowy, that tab, but it's green. And there's 3 here, but they all kind of look in the range of pink, red, or purple. So that one looks pretty pinky. Oh, that one's pink, so that must be red. And it's like an orange. That's weird. I thought they were supposed to be a purple. Maybe that's the most purple. That one looks really red. Alright, so I think we're gonna go with this tablet.
I'm going for this.
It kind of looks purple, but it looks really pink. I was thinking that there'd be purple in here. I'm not really telling.
I got these, Mommy.
Hold on. Like this one.
These.
That looks red. But
Can I put one of mine on?
oh, not yet. Just do the pink tab on that one. And this one looked really orangey. So does this mean this is yellow and I didn't test it? Or is one... Yeah, this is yellow actually. So this one is orange. Even... So...
We only need one of these.
So yeah, orange.
Here's one of these. They always
This
need one
orange
of
looking one is yellow.
these. Look what I found in the box. These. I found these in the box.
I feel like this is probably pink, but I don't know if it's just a...
Give me it.
No, honey. I'm setting it aside because this is what the one I'm using. But looking at it, I almost see like some blue separation. Laura, no, please give it to me now. Okay, put it in here. Okay, that one's getting set aside. So
Okay.
I'm just gonna do this for all of them. So we have our 2 cakes, and originally I was going to use these ones, but I'm second guessing myself, and I think I'm going to use these ones. I think on the paper towel I saw more breaking with these, and that was kind of what I wanted with the variegation. So I was thinking that I would do 3 tablets inside each. And let me see.
Here's the one for you, Mommy.
Thank you. Just try to
You have to work this first.
in the center.
That will make it a bit. inside it.
No, you cannot see. Laura, hold on. Okay.
Can you see inside them?
There. No, you're not supposed to. Okay, so I have them in here, and I will just take you over to the stove where I have water heating, and we'll see what happens next. So the water's not completely up to a simmer, but I want to add the yarn balls now. I've also added 2 tablespoons of vinegar already, and let me get a spoon. I want to add these as close to the same time. And I didn't pre-soak these, so I gotta. And I tried to get the tablets as close to the center of the ball as possible. And these are pretty well submerged. There's only a little bit at the top, and I'm okay with that. So we're gonna let these simmer. Okay, so it's been simmering for about 30 minutes, and it doesn't look like the dye bath has cleared too terribly much. Maybe I made a mistake of putting 3 tablets in the center of each ball. That might have been too much dye, but I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down in the pot, and then I'm gonna rinse them and let them dry, and I will show you the end result. All right, I am all finished winding it, and I was kind of hoping for more color saturation at the end, but I still think it looks cool, and I can't wait to see it knit up. I think it'll make some pretty cool socks. There was some, I don't think I'm far enough away for that to be in focus, but there were still some undissolved pieces of tablet that came out of the center, but that's okay because again, I feel like I put too much in, and while I let it sit there, it simmered for 30 minutes, and then I let it cool down to touch, which took a couple of hours, and this is still all that was absorbed. So maybe I wound the cake too tight, and it's definitely not the idea that I had in my head of what I wanted my yarn to look, but while winding this, I did kind of have an idea of how I could get the next cake to look the way I want it, and I'll show you that in another video.